Okay, so you've got your content created, you've got your people assigned, and they're working on it. Or are they? Let's find out. On the reports page, you've got 3 reports: subject report, people report, and latest activity report. On the subject report, you'll see the basic stats for each of your published subjects, including users assigned and the average completion. By clicking on a subject title, you'll be able to see everyone who's assigned to the subject, as well as their completion rate and the date it was assigned, and a few other stats. For tests, you'll be able to see how they responded on each attempt. The people report will show the number of subjects assigned to each team member, average completion rate, and when they were last active. All of this data can be downloaded as a CSV spreadsheet. The latest activity will give you a rundown of everything going on in your account. You can even filter by activity. Pro tip: if you accidentally delete a subject, topic, or step, you can filter by deletion and recover it by clicking the curvy arrow.